How to delete your Instagram account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to permanently remove your account in just a few steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to go to Settings. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Account Center. From there, tap on Manage Accounts. At this stage, let me show you. Tap on Manage option at the top of your account you want to delete. Following this, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. From there, tap on Delete Account to begin the deletion process and select Continue. Then you can continue losing access to everything linked to that account. At this stage, Instagram will ask you to select a reason for deleting your account. Choose whichever one applies and tap Continue, and you can continue with anything else. Following this, you'll be asked to enter your Instagram password to confirm your identity. Go ahead and enter it. Once done, tap on Delete Account to confirm and submit your deletion request. From here, keep in mind that Instagram gives you a 30-day grace period before your account is permanently deleted. During this time, you can log back in to cancel the deletion if you change your mind. Here's an important note. Once the 30-day period is over, your account, along with all your photos, videos, followers, and messages, will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. So make sure you're absolutely certain before confirming. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete your Instagram account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.